Hello everybody. Today let's learn how to prepare dry instant puliyogare mix. This is very easy to prepare. We can store this for about good 3 months. We all know lockdown period, so a lot of packed products are not available. This is something which we can prepare very easily at home. Let's see how to prepare. For this, first I am taking 50 grams of tamarind. First, let's clean the tamarind by removing seeds, and if there are any shells, let's remove that also, and break this tamarind into small pieces so that it will be very easy for us to grind. Today I am showing you in a very small quantity with the 50 grams. We can prepare in larger quantity and store it in the refrigerator in an airtight container for good 3 months or so. Very easy. Once the powder is ready, we just have to mix it with the rice, and we have to just season it. Okay, now stove is on medium flame. Now I am adding chana dal 1 tablespoon, urad dal 1 tablespoon, coriander seeds 1.5 tablespoon, whole peppercorn 1 tablespoon, and fenugreek seeds half teaspoon. So let's dry roast all these ingredients slowly on a medium flame. This is the key in making this powder. We have to dry roast it slowly so that all the ingredients are nicely roasted. We are roasting sesame seeds separately because we know that sesame seeds will get roasted very fast and it doesn't need too much of heat. So I am roasting 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds and red chilies, 10 red chilies separately, because both these ingredients does not require too much of heat. So roast them separately, mix everything and keep it aside so that it will cool down. Then let's add tamarind to the same pan. Let's dry roast tamarind for about 5 minutes on a low flame, and we'll keep it separately in a separate plate so that it will cool completely. These ingredients need to be really cooled down before we add them to the mixie jar. Once they are cool, let's add these ingredients to the mixie jar and let's grind it nicely. I'm adding tamarind also. Along with that, I am adding 1 tablespoon of powdered jaggery. This will give nice flavor. 1.5 teaspoon of asafoetida powder, hing, and let's grind all these ingredients. So you can see it's nicely grinded. You can see tamarind is also mixed very well. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix everything. Now our dry instant puliyogare mix is ready. We can store this in an airtight container for about 3 months. Now to the rice, we just have to add this powder and just add seasoning to it, and our puliyogare is ready. This will taste best after 1 hour of preparation, and this is also an excellent lunchbox option. I hope you all like this video. For healthy, quick and tasty recipes, please subscribe to Healthy Plate by Madhavi. Lockdown period. I hope you all stay safe, stay responsible and stay home.